In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to build your own dictionary or glossary in WordPress. To get started with this video tutorial, you need to install a CM Tooltip Glossary plugin first. This plugin quickly builds a dictionary, encyclopedia, wiki, online library, or glossary page with pop-up tooltip info boxes. I've already installed it. But if you need help installing a plugin, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Let's activate the plugin first, and then check its functionality. You can see we have been redirected to this page. Once the plugin is activated, it automatically creates a glossary page for you where you'll be able to see all the glossary items that we'll add in the menu next in this video. To add glossary items, all you need to do is click on Add New under the CM Tooltip Glossary, or you can also click on the Add New link given over here. Here you need to add your glossary item's title, and here you can add its meaning or the description. Once you're done, simply click on the Publish button. Moving back, I'll similarly add a few more glossary items, repeating the process. All these glossary items will automatically be added to the glossary page created by the plugin itself. Let me show you that page as well. For that, hover onto Pages and click on All Pages. You can see the glossary page here, and you can even edit the page from here. Now, let's add the page to the menu of our website. To do so, hover on to Appearance and click on Menus. Now I'll simply add the glossary page to the menu like this. Once done, click on Save Menu. Now let's visit the website's front end and check the changes. So you can see the glossary page here in the menu. You can click on any of these to know the meaning of the term. So, this is how easy it is to add a glossary or dictionary to your WordPress website. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.